In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google reviews into your WordPress website using Elfsight. Go to elfsight.com and navigate to the Google Reviews widget in the menu. You can find the link in the description. Create or click on Create Widget and select a template that best fits your needs. Provide your business name, address, and other relevant details to display Google reviews accurately. Next, adjust the layout, size, and colors and fonts to match your website's design aesthetics. After that, click Join to install to add the widget to your website. Sign up for a free Elfsight apps account and save the widget to your created within your Elfsight apps account. Select your subscription and you can do it light, which is recommended for beginners. After that, a code will appear in your screen. Copy the installation code provided by Elfsight. And after you copy it, you can go to your WordPress site, create a new HTML block and copy the code to it, click Save, and then the Google Reviews widget will appear on your site. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.